Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop Roblox error code 277. This error typically means you've lost connection to the game server, often due to network instability. We'll start with some quick, easy fixes. First, try restarting your device and your internet router. This simple step can clear many temporary connection issues. Also, always ensure your Roblox application is fully updated to its most recent version. Next, let's optimize your network connection. A wired Ethernet connection offers more stability than Wi-Fi, so use one if you can. You should also flush your DNS cache. This clears out old, potentially corrupted network data that might be causing issues. Simply open your command prompt and type ipconfig/flushdins. Additionally, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy services, as these can sometimes interfere with Roblox's connection. Now, let's look at your software and system. First, check the official Roblox server status page to ensure there are no widespread outages affecting everyone. Then, review your firewall and antivirus settings. These programs can sometimes block Roblox, so make sure they allow the application full access. Finally, clear out any corrupted Roblox logs and temporary app data from your system, which can often resolve persistent errors. If the error code 277 still persists, consider these advanced solutions. A complete reinstallation of the Roblox application can often fix deeply corrupted files or installation issues. Also, ensure your network drivers are fully updated for optimal performance and compatibility. If you've tried all these steps and are still experiencing problems, it's best to reach out directly to Roblox support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.